In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix x.com or Twitter error 132 quickly and safely using a few simple browser steps. This is a really helpful fix if X is not loading properly, if you're getting stuck on an error screen, or if the site is behaving strangely after a browser issue or extension conflict. We'll go through the fastest troubleshooting steps first, and by the end, you should have a much better chance of getting C working again. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's get started. First, on your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens your browser's Clear Browsing Data menu. Here, make sure you clear both cookies and cached files. These two things can often cause login problems, loading issues, and strange errors like error 132. Once you've selected the right options, confirm the clear action and let the browser finish removing that data. After that, go ahead and open a private browsing window by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Nedante. This opens an incognito or private mode window, which is a great way to test whether the issue is being caused by your saved browser data, cookies, or extensions. Now visit x.com again and check whether it loads properly. If X works in the private window, that's a strong sign that the problem is coming from your regular browser setup. Next, go back to your browser and click on your extensions icon. Find your adblocker extension and turn it off. Ad blockers can sometimes interfere with x.com and trigger loading errors or login problems, so disabling it is an important step. After turning off the ad blocker, refresh X and check again. In many cases, that alone can fix the issue. So to recap, clear your cookies and cache, test X in a private window, and disable your ad blocker if needed. These three steps solve a lot of x.com and Twitter error 132 problems without needing anything more advanced. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone else who's stuck on the same error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.